There's no disputing, Indonesia have grown to love, and its population is rising. Its streets, its traffic can't keep up. Indonesia, for years, they've been working on mass rapid transit infrastructure to ease the traffic in the capital. What is your privilege? Privilege to see, to eat, to breathe, to get to places. Some will say some privilege is far greater than the other. Being a British, I've been to places. My nationality take me to places over and beyond. The privilege to explore different territory. The only way to get to some places, sometime you take this. Constantly evolving. Speed is money. The essence of moving from point A to point B becoming easy as ever. Pristine technology changing our lives like never seen before. Speed. More speed, high speed, MRT, an engineering feat when considered time defies imagining. It's a phenomenon known as beyond borders. You arrive at a place that is vastly different from yours, but it feels familiar. It's believed traveling is the pillar of great epiphany.
You can just feel it. The city is in dire needs of better transportation, of course, and things are heading in the right direction. You know, desperation, hunger, and people are desperate like to get to the destination on time. Hence why you see a Gojek driver on the side of the road. You know, they're going about, and of course they're navigating, squeezing through traffic, and things are notoriously busy and chaotic, and at the same time very exciting for me.
There was a story, a forgotten one. The beginning, the evolution of railway. 1821, George Stephenson, a bright mind who built several steam engines to work in the Killington Watt colliery. And he had of a name, Edward Pieces, who intended to use a horse traction to transport a rich vine of coal in a 12.9 kilometer line from Stockton to Darlington. You see, George's fortitude and persuasions encouraged Edward to consider using his steam engines, as it could pull 50 times the load that horses could draw on the iron rails. Now fast forward to modern day railways: London Tube, Tokyo Shinkansen, Taiwan HSL, Chinese bullet trains, KL monorail, Singapore MRT, and now the new 1.7 billion mass rapid transit in Jakarta. It's aimed to relieve traffic congestion in Indonesia capital city. In Jakarta, there is traffic, crazy traffic, and God knows I've been stuck in both. Jakarta is surely changing compared to the last time I was there, but something never changes: the friendly Gojek riders. There's no disputing, Indonesia have grown to love, and its population is rising. Its streets, its traffic can't keep up. Indonesia, for years, they've been working on mass rapid transit infrastructure to ease the traffic in the capital. Successfully, on November 28, 2006, the signing of financial agreement for Jakarta MRT Project was carried out by the Governor of Japan Bank for International Cooperation, JBIC. You see, there are phases to the project. Construction of 16-kilometer MRT line from Lebak Bulus Terminal to Hotel Indonesia Roundabout, which has 13 stations and 1 depot, and all the phases to follow, which could transform Jakarta transportation system. Did someone say system? Let it be security check.
Thank you.
And this will never work in the UK. Please obtain your MRT Jakarta pass for a fee that will shock you. And the cost for the ride is insanely cheap.
Here I can see. Surprisingly, I would say this place is heading in the right direction and everything seems so well thought out. It's well structured. Of course, before you enter, you have to wear a face mask, and that is key. Right, outside in public, you don't really need to wear your face mask, but it's for everyone's safety, isn't it? Right? In public area, it makes a lot of sense. I don't really mind that one, but outside, yes, I do mind. I'm not going to wear a face mask, no matter what. If you tell me to wear a face mask outside, I will leave the country. I'm just joking, of course, and I'm a good guy. So probably that's the train there. Should I jump on it? Right now, let me just see if this one go to. No, that one doesn't go there.
You see, it's not what they say about Indonesia MRT. Foreign bloggers exaggerating about new and modern isn't true or partly true. It's more of a new feeling, experiencing the phases of evolution in a country that is pacing to catch up with the big boys at a staggering rate. Surely it's sparkling clean.
Menuju stasiun akhir Lebak Bulus Grab. Lebak Bulus Grab. Dear passengers, welcome on board. This train is bound for Lebak Bulus Grab.
Finally leaving, and yes, the good thing is the announcements are also in both Bahasa and English. That is brilliant. Of course, you don't want to get lost, right? And everything right here, the language is so easy to understand, to be honest. If you put my head for like 1 year into it, you will learn every single thing. It's so easy because most of the alphabet is in English, right? It's phenomenal.
Clear visual, instructions, plenty of handles, seats, yeah, spacious.
Now I have to be quiet.
And all of these a recipe of success. Oh, right, steady and smooth. Indonesia delivering.
Okay, I'm getting off the next stop. Right, it's so easy to vlog in Indonesia because the people want to be on camera.
It's obvious, my new favorite place in Jakarta is SCBD. Cruising in the streets of where SCBD in the daytime completely different to night. The sound of fine creation and friendly locals. Did I mention Indonesians love the rolling of cameras like movie stars? Yeah, they're all fiercely proud to be recorded.
Hello!
After all the madness during the day you experience, you come to this place to unwind, to try some tasty ass charcoal grill chicken satay, featured in previous episodes. Ooh, yummy.
At least the drivers there, they're stopping. That's a good sign. And you got traffic officers there. Look at that. Thank you. Thank you. Stop there. Oh, look at that. That is pretty cool.
Badass motorbike, Gucci store cover in gold, inside Jakarta luxurious Sanian City Mall.
Thank you. I don't know about you, but the malls in Indonesia, there's something else. Just imagine and look and get inspired. Basically the sheer value of size, the space of things, and the luxury, the class, the elegancy, and of course the supreme and the sophisticated, and only made for the rich, and only the rich and the poor can actually get closer. But this place is a place, it's a dreamland. Is that song for Tottenham? It probably is, and there's full of high-end brands, Gucci, Prada, Balenciaga, Fendi, you know, Burberry. You got All Saint. Okay, maybe All Saint is not here there. All right, but look at this. It's like an arena. People are watching, spectators upstairs. Basically, everyone watching. Aren't you entertained? Aren't you entertained?
Yes, man. I am entertained. I love you, man. I love you. I am so entertained. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Okay, you're scaring me.
Go away. I don't love you.
Do you know, at this point, I got a flashy montage of local and international brands in Jakarta highly rated mall. Admiring the spectacular Samsung Super High Infinity, Super High Definition, Top Quality, My Dream TV.
That is my dream TV. One day I'll have something like that.
Coming into focus, at the end of the chapter, we all have an agenda but a place, and chances are some people may never like Jakarta due to its pre-existing history of chaos, bad-ass traffic, ultra-modern mall, poverty and hassle. But all of this sounds to me like a place of fine exploration on my ultra-modern motorbike.
Bule, stop stealing. You are stealing.